Alright, welcome back again to my channel. It's your boy Kizworld. If you're new to my channel, you can subscribe. So Nnamdi Kanu right now is saying that he does not want his trial case to be given back to Justice Binta Nyako because of some reasons, and he's requesting that they transfer him to another court, either in the Southeast or in Abuja. And here is the reasons. Follow me through this article from Sahara Reporters. So Nnamdi Kanu requests case transfer from Justice Murtala Nyako to another judge in Abuja or Southeast South Court. Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of IPOBs, has requested the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court to transfer his case to a court in Southeast or South region of Nigeria, rather than have it reassigned to Justice Binta Nyako. So around last year, Nnamdi Kanu said that he has lost faith or lost hope in the case of Binta Nyako, that he doesn't trust her judgment anymore, that she should recuse herself from the case. That means she should leave the case and let another person pick up the case. But this year again, the federal government is insisting that Binta Nyako continues with the case because of some reasons, that she has been the one handling the case for over 10 years now, that she understands the case. So Nnamdi Kanu is saying no, that he doesn't trust the judgment of Binta Nyako, that he needs his case to be taken to another court, to another judge in the Southeast or in Abuja. So the appeal was made on Wednesday through his legal team led by his special counsel, Barrister Aloy Ejimako, ahead of the next court date for the consideration of his case. So the court that Kanu had requested for the recusal of Justice Murtala Nyako from the case, and the judge had also confirmed her recusal from the case. However, the IPOB leader, through his legal team, has raised an alarm that the case has been returned to Justice Murtala Nyako to continue, a move which Kanu and his legal team have criticized and rejected. In a statement issued on Wednesday by Ejimako after the legal team's routine visit to Kanu in the custody of the Department of the CSS, Kanu instructed his legal team to ensure that his case is not handled by Justice Murtala Nyako. Ejimako stated, due to its constitutional implications, Onyendum instructed the legal team to take certain prompt steps to ensure that his case is not handled by the same Justice Binta Murtala Nyako, who had withdrawn from the case by virtue of the order of recusal entered on September 24, 2024. So the same Justice Binta Nyako recused herself from the case around September last year. But the question is now, why is the federal government bending or insisting that Binta Nyako continues with the case? Because something is fishy somewhere. Because Nnamdi Kanu earlier said that, I don't know, around 3 years ago or 4 years ago, exposed that the federal government is holding Binta Nyako's husband in custody because of some crime he committed. So Nnamdi Kanu is now afraid, and he said that he have lost faith in the justice or judgment of Binta Nyako, that she might be carrying her judgment based on partiality or based on the fact that the federal government has her husband and might be trying to make or plead federal government, thereby losing faith in her judgment. So that was all the thing that Nnamdi Kanu said, that he have lost hope in her judgment, that she should recuse herself, which she did. And this year again, the federal government is insisting that the same judge should continue the case, which we don't know what is hiding, but everything must still come out. So now Kanu is saying no, that he does not want his case to be handled by the same judge, that let them change him to another court, either in the Southeast or in Abuja. So the point was stressed that, should the case still lie with Justice Murtala Nyako, it would mean that the same court disobeyed an order that it made. We are therefore looking forward to going to court as long as another judge of the Federal High Court is assigned to the case. He demanded, if no other judge in Abuja is willing to handle the case, the chief judge is free to transfer the case to Umuahia, Awka, Enugu, Asaba, Port Harcourt, or any other federal high court within the former Eastern Nigeria where the offences were alleged to have happened or allegedly had impact. So this is a simple case and it's a simple thing, but the government are trying to make it look as if Nnamdi Kanu does not have rights. Because I think this thing now, everybody have the rights. Nnamdi Kanu has the full rights, because the kind issue or the kind trial or the issue that they have with Nnamdi Kanu already happened in the Southeast. So Kanu is simply begging and asking and requesting that the Federal High Court chief judge should transfer his case to another judge to take up the case, that he would not allow Binta Nyako to continue with the case, since he have recused herself from the case last year, September 24th, and now again the government are insisting that she should continue with the case, which we don't know what is hiding. But like I said, everything must come out in the broad daylight. So I will see you guys in my next video. As you enjoyed the video you've watched, stay tuned guys, see you in my next video.